Grilled chicken thighs is one of my favorite things to cook on the grill. They are moist and tender with a mild spicy flavor that will make you love them. Chicken thighs can cook really fast, making it the perfect weeknight dinner for yourself and loved ones. I got a question for you guys. What did the chicken cross the road? If you know, put it down in the comments, because today, guys, we have chicken thighs. The most amazing, beautiful thing you will ever see are here. And even if you don't like chicken, you're gonna like this one because it's gonna be awesome. Let's go for it. Chicken thighs have more dark meat and higher fat content than chicken breast, allowing them to stay moist and juicy when grilling. They also hold up well to high temperatures, meaning you can grill them quick and fast and get that gorgeous texture that simply melts in your mouth. Alright guys, here we have this beautiful chicken, and let me tell you something, when I was a kid, this was the best part of the chicken for me. I used to fight with my sister all the time about the chicken thighs, and I used to win like 40% of the time. So that's how it is, and that's how I got to appreciate this beautiful part of the chicken so much. When you buy chicken thighs in the store, they come in two different forms: deboned and skinless, or bone-in with the skin. And as you can see here, we have the skin and the bone. So the first thing we will do will be to remove the bone from the meat and leave the skin intact. When cooking, the skin will get really crispy and will add flavors to the meat, so we are leaving it untouched. Deboning these chicken thighs is really simple. As you can see, I'm using a scissor instead of a knife, as it allows me to go around the bone without damaging the meat. If you don't have any scissors available, you can use a knife, but I would recommend to use a small sharp knife, as you need to cut the meat from all around the bone. Remember, every time you handle chicken, you have to be careful and you have to follow the ninja's recommendations. You have to clean your hands, alright? You have to wash it with soap. Bacteria, stuff like that can happen, so wash your hands, and then we get into the marinade. Once all the thighs are deboned, the next step will be to marinate them and allow the spices flavor to penetrate the chicken as much as possible. In order to do this, we will create a little rub first, and we will sprinkle the meat, trying to cover as much of it as we can. I'm leaving the whole marinade recipe down there in the description, you guys can check it out, but meanwhile I'm gonna tell you what it is. And the list of the ingredients goes like this: 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well and apply to your chicken as you would do with any other rub. And with all that rub on our chicken, the next step will be to force those flavors into the meat. And we are going to achieve that by adding mayo and hot sauce to the mix. The next thing is going to be on the fridge, so let's get some hot sauce and let's get some mayonnaise for the marinade. Oh, you can see that. Oh. The idea is essentially simple. Add 1 cup of mayo to a Ziploc bag and insert your chicken in there. As part of the mayo, I like to add some hot sauce just to spice the mix a little bit. But if you don't like hot sauce, it's okay to leave it out. Don't worry too much about it. Now, this is going in the fridge for about 2 hours. And now, with about 2 hours to spare, it's time to create our Alabama white sauce. The Alabama white barbecue sauce was created in 1925 in Decatur, Alabama, by a man named Bob Gibson, who started a restaurant that is an institution in today's barbecues world called Big Bob Gibson Barbecue. If you've ever been in that restaurant, let me know down there in the comments, because I would love to go there too. My version of this sauce starts with a mayo base that then is thinned out with vinegar. Then gets a flavor kick from hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Alright guys, those chicken thighs, they are being marinated for 2 hours already, and they should be tasting amazing at this point. Now let's get some skewers that I have here. Let's put them in the skewers and let's get ready to grill them. Based on previous experiments, I found that the best way to grill these chicken thighs would be using skewers. Skewers allows you to easily handle more than 1 piece of meat at a time and helps a lot when trying to keep the whole cooking uniform. Also, as you will be able to see, meat in the skewers is a very nice way to present your meat once it's ready to eat. All I'm doing right now is rolling the entire piece of chicken and applying the skewers to them. Depending on how long your skewers are, you can place 3 or more chicken thighs in them. Cooking these chicken thighs could have been simpler. We will be cooking them until the internal temperature heat up to 165 degrees, as the FDA recommends. The only rule that the ninja is forcing himself to apply here will be to flip the meat every 5 minutes. That way we avoid it from burning. Alright, Miss Ninja, we have the chicken. I finally made chicken for Miss Ninja because she's bored of beef. Oh my god, I can take no more beef anymore.
Beef and beef and beef, steak.
So we have some chicken here for her. Well, we did the chicharrones the other day.
Yeah, those were amazing.
That was awesome.
If you haven't seen the video, go look for it. It's
if you haven't seen the video, you don't know what you're missing because that thing was crazy good.
Oh yeah,
and here we have our chicken. That's a sauce that I created.
Okay.
I didn't create it, all right? It's a recipe that I found online. It's called Alabama sauce. I'm putting all the information on this sauce in the description so you guys can see it. Small part for you.
A small piece for me.
Yes.
Yum yum.
Let me get this away.
Ready?
Ready. Let's go and let's try.
Let's go.
Man, Miss Ninja.
I love the skin.
Wow. Wow, that sauce, guys.
It is so good. Can I have another piece?
That sauce, guys. Wow. Let me know. How can I have it? Hold on.
Love it. Love it.
Ooh, baby.
Love the texture of the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not like super soft, neither harder. It's in between.
It's really juicy.
The charcoal flavor.
Amazing charcoal flavor. The skin is perfect. And you guys know that we are not BSing here. If it's not good, we say it's not good and that's it. This one is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Man, this one is good, guys.
I love it. Good job, Ninja.
Hey, you know.
Finally, I got my chicken.
Well, this is chicken thigh. You know, chicken thigh is my favorite. And I don't care much about breasts or drums or... chicken wings, yes. Chicken wings, I love them too.
Oh, yeah.
But chicken thighs, when you're talking about quantity of meat, chicken thighs are the best for me.
And the ones that get the most flavor. That's what I think.
It sucks a lot of flavor. It has some different kind of meat. It's a dark meat. And it has some little fat in there, I guess. I don't know how to call it.
It does have a little bit of fat.
That absorb that charcoal flavor, and it's amazing. I know a lot of you guys don't like chicken, but I'm telling you, man. I love
chicken.
If you don't like chicken, let me know down there because, you know, I would love to know who don't like chicken in this channel.
And it's something, you know, something that I love that Ninja hates.
What?
Chicken eggs.
No.
Yeah.
Love it.
I love the sauce. Yum. Delicious.
We still have more chicken there, so don't worry. Happy camper, huh?
I love it.
Happy camper, huh?
Yes, I am.
There you go, Mr. Ninja, you see?
Finally, my chicken.
Mr. Ninja is always taking care of you. What Miss Ninja wants, what she likes, what can I give her to make her happy, that kind of stuff. I'm always on that.
Okay.
So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like chicken, subscribe down there. And if you don't like chicken, subscribe down there too because chicken is the first time we made it in this whole channel. But if you like grilling, smoking, anything, guys, we do all kind of cooking in here. Yes, and we've been doing this for a good time already. So subscribe to the channel and you're going to enjoy and have fun with us here in the kitchen. And
don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays, every time we upload a new video for you guys.
And let me know in the comments, man, what do you think came first? The chicken or the egg?
Yeah, I would love to know because to me, I have no answer.
Let me know in the comments, guys. What do you think about these? That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
We love you. And let's do this together. Stay home and be safe.
Be safe, baby.
Be safe.